Hi, smart builders. Today we talk about Hamm HD Plus 110 IBO compactor, built for performance, durability, and operator comfort. The Hamm HD Plus 110 IBO compactor stands out in the realm of road construction machinery. This piece of equipment plays a crucial role in ensuring road surfaces are properly compacted, providing a smooth, durable driving surface. The HD Plus 110 IBO is powered by a Kubota engine producing 114 horsepower, which is renowned for its fuel efficiency and quiet operation. It features an operating weight of 11.5 tons and has a maximum working speed of 6 km per h4. Vibratory compaction, ensuring high productivity levels. What sets the HD Plus 110 IBO apart is its oscillation compaction system, where the drum maintains constant contact with the ground for more efficient compaction, fewer pauses, and a smoother finish. This unique system reduces harmful vibration loads, minimizes wear and tear, and extends the life of the machine. Hamm's Easy Drive operating system is another key feature of the HD Plus 110 IBO. It is an intuitive and language-neutral system that allows operators to control the machine effortlessly. This reduces operator fatigue and boosts productivity during long shifts. In terms of operator comfort, Hamm has done a fantastic job with the HD Plus 110 IBO. The machine boasts a spacious cabin with panoramic visibility, an adjustable operator seat, and a user-friendly control panel. It also features a noise-insulated cabin to reduce noise levels for the operator. The HD Plus 110 IBO is also environmentally friendly. It features an eco mode that reduces engine speed during idling phases, thereby lowering fuel consumption and emissions. This makes it a responsible choice for road construction projects aiming to minimize their environmental impact. In conclusion, the Hamm HD Plus 110 IBO compactor is a combination of power, precision, and advanced technology. Its efficiency, operator-focused design. Thanks for full watch. Subscribe for more. Thank you.